Summer skincare mistakes. We see them all the time, and I'm going to go through how to avoid them. Is your summer skincare routine helping your skin, or is it secretly sabotaging it? My name's Dr. Manav Bauer. I'm an aesthetic doctor, and my practice is Time Clinic, Medical Aesthetics and Wellness. And we have a multi-award-winning clinic based in Northeast London. I've been in the industry for 8 years now, and I'm a global speaker. So I absolutely love what I do, and I'm here to really try and help you with your skincare today. In today's video, let's break down the common summer skincare mistakes we see at Time Clinic and how to avoid them for glowing, healthy skin all season long. So the first question to ask yourself this summer, are you applying sun cream once a day? Well, the mistake, applying sunscreen in the morning and never reapplying. Fix it. So we've got UV radiation that damages our skin when we're laying in the sun, but we've got a different type of UV radiation that comes through the clouds and the windows. So it's really important to wear sun cream all the time and consider reapplying it every 2 to 3 hours if you're in the sun. I recommend using a lightweight 30 plus broad spectrum sun cream, and you can try powder or mist formulas to reapply over makeup. And this is a product that I recommend. This is the IS Clinical Extreme Protect 40 that I use myself. It doesn't give me any cast, and it protects my skin, and it also repairs my skin through the day. The second question you need to ask yourself is, are you skipping moisturizer because it's hot? Mistake. Thinking oily or sweaty skin doesn't need hydration. Fix it. Use a lightweight product that doesn't erupt your skin, it's not too harsh. It's a gel-based moisturizer to maintain skin barrier health. You can also use a cream as well if it's light. Now, dehydrated skin is an overproduction of oil and breakouts, and look for a product with hyaluronic acid or niacinamide if you can. Now, the product that I really love to use is the Abaji Hydrate. And this is a really lightweight product. It goes into my skin really nicely. And again, I don't feel like I'm layering product after product on this. And the third question to ask yourself is, are you over-exfoliating to stay squeaky clean? Mistake. Using harsh scrubs or acids too often in the summer. Fix it. Over-exfoliation weakens your skin barrier, increasing sun sensitivity and pigmentation. And it actually can irritate your skin, causing redness too. So I recommend exfoliating no more than 2 to 3 times a week, and stick to gentle exfoliants like lactic acid or enzymes. Now, one of the products that I really like is the Cleansing Complex Polish, because I can use it every day. It's a very gentle polish that exfoliates without being too harsh for my skin. The fourth question to ask yourself is, do you think a tan or a darker skin tone means you don't need sunscreen? Mistake. Believing darker or tan skin doesn't need protection. Fix it. UV damage affects all skin tones and skin types, causing premature aging and pigmentation, as well as redness deeper within the skin. I recommend you apply sunscreen regardless of your skin tone or whether you tan easily, and every single day. So a tan may look nice now, but it's a sign of damage later on. So when you're going on your summer holidays, especially to somewhere a lot warmer than the UK, I would certainly change up your skincare, and I would advise you to come in, have a discussion with us. We can change that for you and advise you, because what we don't want you to be doing is going out into the sun using very strong actives like retinol or tretinoin every single day. So we may change that for you and look to protect your skin, rather than treating you with a lot of vitamin A every single evening, because what can happen is this may increase your risk of pigmentation and side effects. So we need to alter your routine before you go on holiday. So definitely give us a call or come into clinic and we can change things up for you. The fifth question to ask yourself is, are you using the same products all year round? Mistake. Not adjusting your skincare for the warmer summer climate. Fix it. Switch to lighter formulas. Think gel cleansers, hydrating serums, oil-free sunscreen. and cut back on heavy creams and strong actives and less prescribed. So for my own personal skincare routine, I change it up. So in the summer months when I feel a lot more warmer, I need less hydration, although I do stick to the Abaji hydrator that I showed you earlier. Now, when we move over to the winter, I add in a serum just to hold in more moisture, because I find when I move from the cold weather to indoors with the heating on, my skin gets much drier. So I need to accommodate for that. The sixth question to ask yourself is, do you forget your neck, your chest, or your hands? Mistake. Focusing only on your face. Fix it. Extend your skincare, especially the sunscreen, to your neck, your chest, and your hands, because these areas show early signs of aging and sun damage. Number 7 to ask yourself, are you skipping professional skin treatments? Mistake. Thinking you can't have skin treatments in the summer. Fix it. You can, with the right treatments. At Time Clinic, we offer summer-safe options like Hydrogenesis facial, skin boosters, LED light therapy, and laser, even for tan skin using our Zeo Plus. It's not about stopping treatments, it's about choosing the right ones for you. If you've liked our content today, please do click like, subscribe, send it to someone that may find it useful. We'd really appreciate if you could do that and help us. We'll be bringing out more content soon, so please keep your eyes open.